Where are we going?
And swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Okay, back up.
Swimming pool.
Okay, back up right there. Stop right there.
I don't like swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Let's go. All right. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday from Singapore, and we're leaving our first hotel, Hilton Garden, in Little India in Singapore. Headed to our next hotel, which is Conrad. Night and day difference between this and that, but I want to show you what this hotel looks like. Now you're gonna have to apologize. This is us moving out. We did not record when we moved in because we had a long flight and we were exhausted, plus 2 hours at immigration. It killed us. So let's start from outside. That's the fam right there waiting on me. This is our broken stroller that we're trying to find the 2 wheels for, work in progress. Because the same stroller here is $1,200. Crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Room 1127, 11. Talk about that. All right, so when you walk in, preparing you now, this is a very tiny room. Think of like New York. Think of New York City. Very tiny space. The rooms are very small. The bathrooms are small. This is what you get here. We had 2 beds, so we literally all 5 of us slept here, 2 and 2. And we have the stroller here. By the way, the stroller does not fit through here. TV is a nice TV. Workspace right here. This is where we all ate and when I did my work. You have a bench right here, which is definitely nice. We were able to put up all of our 11 luggages on there, and this is the view you get. Little view into Singapore, Little India. Those pink buildings you see right there with 668, those are government housing buildings. Anything with a number on it. And doing a little research, 80% of Singapore residents live at government housing properties. They do have a motion sensor here, which is new. I had not seen that in a hotel before. And that triggers the TV being on or off, AC being on and off. It's really different. Bathroom, so I'll show you that. Very basic bathroom. Try and make sure you don't see all of our junk here. Shower, I would say definitely disappointed. As you guys know me, I like to do the test. And as you can see, this is the same height as my head, so I literally have to pretty much hold it in one hand, take a shower in the other. And then the water pressure is very weak, extremely weak. I don't know if it's a Singaporean thing or what, but the water pressure here is very weak. You got a lot of closet space here. Where are we going?
And a swimming pool.
Kick. Good job, yeah. Good job, yeah. Good job, Cedar. We got waffle ice cream, Mariam, Sido, Sarah, Marwa, and pasta. Pasta first, ice cream later. If it doesn't melt.
1 minute later.
And we are fasting. So we get to sit here, watch these little punks eat while we fast. But hey, it's okay. We're strong. This is nothing. Ain't a thing but a chicken wing. That's what we say in Atlanta. So we're at the hotel restaurant now. We're gonna break our fast.
You love my dinner?
Marwa. Nadia. Let me turn around. Here we go. Let's see your dresses. Let's see your dresses. tuxedo dress? Medium dress? Whatever dress. Okay, I'll buy a new one. You guys want to see my dress? I'll show you my dress. My dress. Yo, my dress. Ya Habibi, welcome to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. No, we're actually Singapore. Alright, let's eat. I am starving. I think prayer just called, so we're gonna break our fast. Alright, let me see. Food is here. We're hungry. Let me show you. Fat burger, please. We're hungry. Fried rice with chicken. Sally, hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah? A
No,
little bit?
sorry.
What is it?
1 minute.
And the kids got fish and chips.
What is onion?
Ano?
Onion chip. It's chicken.
It's fish.
Okay.
So I don't know what it is, but lately the Hilton digital key on the app works in the elevator, but does not work in the room. Wi-Fi on, Wi-Fi off, SIM card data, nothing seems to help. So I'm headed to the lobby to get the key. All right, so we're at the gym. Overall, not bad gym at all. Multi-exercise machine right here. Bunch of weights. Bikes. 3 treadmills. Nice TV. Not bad at all. And now I'm gonna take you to level 4, which is where the sky bridge is. Connect is a 2-piece hotel. Excuse me, it's a 2-piece hotel. You got 1 floor here and then the other side, Voila. I just discovered this yesterday. I should have came here and worked out of here and got some work done. I was trying to work out of the lobby and it was extremely loud. Level 4, second building to the hotel. We got a bunch of rooms here. If you can get this side of the hotel, that's what I would do. There you go, you see a sign right here. That one thing that, a couple of things we noticed. These cups right here, which we drank out of for 2 days. And I saw this with my own eyeballs. Lady literally comes in, goes in the bathroom sink, washes it with her hand, and puts it back. Same cup. And I drank out of that. I have a picture that I took of her cart that you'll see. There's not a single cup on that cart of hers. So that's how they do it here. Now the hotel overall is very clean. It smells good, it's very clean. It's very, it's the cheapest one pretty much in town on this side of town. It's about 120, 130 bucks. They have a restaurant on top that closes really early. Not the friendliest person in the world. I put a Google review up of you'll see in the hotel. Long story short, I was accused of stealing coffee at dinner when I had told them that I wanted 2 coffees when I walked in to break my fast. And then he literally walks up to me and says, "Hey man, what's up with the refill? Why are you refilling?" I'm like, "What are you talking about? This is my 2nd cup of coffee." And he's like, "Oh, okay." And he just walks away in front of everybody. So not the friendliest customer service folks here at the hotel. I did speak with the manager, so hopefully they can, get them figured out. But overall, the hotel is very clean, smells good, with the exception of a few things where the cups are being washed by hand in the room, the lady that cleans all the rooms, and then the restaurant people, not the friendliest people. Other than that, everything else is peachy. Hopefully you like the review. Now we're headed to Conrad.